Hello, welcome to a new nail art tutorial. And I'm so happy this time I'm introducing you a new quality. I'm really excited about this because recently I got a new camera and everything looks so much better, and I'm really happy that I'm gonna be able to share new tutorials and a lot of work that I've been hoping for. So let's kick off with this design. Actually, this is my first nail art design that I've done in the past. It's the first video loaded ever. So now we are doing a remake, and I'm gonna be taking it slow. Yes, as you can see, I'm painting with a ruby nail polish, just like so. I'm gonna go nail by nail slowly. And I'm really appreciating the new quality. I love it. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Make sure to take your time, find it literally one, and then once you're done, let it dry. And I'm gonna go over here on the thumb. Remember, if you happen to make a mistake, you can always correct it with your nail corrector pen. It's the tool that I always recommend. Just dip it into a nail polish remover and that's it. Usually it happens on the sides. Now that looks beautiful. On to the next step, I'm gonna be using this black nail polish. We're gonna be starting with the art itself. So I got this nail brush. It's an old one that I only use for nail polish, because usually the nail brushes are specially made for acrylic paints. But I always have this one handy for nail polishes. So we're gonna be making this little triangular shape. We're gonna be making these dots and leave the middle empty. There we go. Repeat on the rest of the nails. Now it's so much easier on the thumbnail because of course it's a bigger canvas. Now I'm gonna be filling in the triangle shape with some dark nail polish, just like so. Make sure not to overload the brush because otherwise it's gonna take forever to dry up. Nice. Let it dry, make sure that it's dried up for the next step. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna be using this Sally Hansen nail polish. It's one of my favorites, pan paint iron. It's like a very silver nail polish. As you can see, it's really opaque and we need that. We don't want to work with a translucent one. We need to be able to see that, you know, it's covering well. We're gonna be intersecting in between the black dots these silver lines, just like so. We're doing this to create the zipper effect. Now I'm gonna be using 100% pure creamy nail polish, one of my favorites ever, cruelty free, made in USA. Now this right here is called Crush. It's a gorgeous baby pink girl color. It's amazing. And we're gonna drop in there 2 dots. We're creating like a small girly bow. Don't worry if the dots are not even, you can always go over them. Next step will be to make 3 dots coming right up to the nail bed. There we go. That's a nice detail. And I'm gonna be moving forward with the Swarovski crystals. These are size 2 or 1.5 millimeters. I don't want to have them, you know, bigger. We need them to be smallish, so that the bows are cuter. So drop in there a small drop of your favorite top coat or nail glue, whatever you want to use here, and stick in it the stick a little bit like this, so that this Swarovski crystal is gonna, get encrusted in the nail polish, but don't overdo it, otherwise it's gonna look ugly. And then seal it with a beautiful top coat. Now this design has lasted me like around 2 weeks. It's a really beautiful, long-lasting nail design, and I'm really excited about this new quality. So let me know your thoughts, how you like it, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.